4 reasons why you must start Amazon KDP today. First reason is there is nothing to lose. So starting Amazon KDP is not like other businesses where you have to create an account on Shopify for dropshipping, for example, and you have to subscribe and pay for many tools and pay for the ads and for the product itself. Here you can create it and start your business for free without paying any single penny. So you can sign up for a KDP account on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can create it for free and create a book from the first day. Even today, you can open your laptop right now, create the account, and upload a book right now. So you can create the interior for free. You can create the cover design for free. You can of course write the title, subtitle, description, and so on for free. So the minimum is $0. So you can create many books for free. I know there are many tools that help you, that speed up your process, that save you time, and yeah, they are very helpful, but those tools are not necessary. Some of them are of course more important than others, but you can still start without paying any single penny. So there is nothing to lose. And someone will write on the comment, oh, you will lose your time and your time is shut the fuck up. I know time is very valuable, but you are not losing your time doing KDP. You are learning from this. Even if you didn't get a single sale, you are learning. You are learning how to design. You are learning how to catch customers' eyes. You are learning how to create, how to be creative, how to find profitable niche, how to sell. And these are very valuable communication skills. All of these are skills and they are very valuable, and it's worth it. So stop doing that and start today. If you haven't already started, start today after watching this video right now. Yes, right now. Don't look at the video. Go right now. And if you have already, look at the 3 reasons, okay? I'm not kidding here. I'm not kidding. You should start. It's free. It's one of the best businesses you can ever imagine. Okay? Okay. So the first reason, there is nothing to lose. The second reason is you can easily from KDP generate a passive income. A passive income, that doesn't mean that you will from the first day you will stay on Dubai without doing anything. Of course you will put an effort in the front, but after that you will stay very comfortable and your money is going on your bank account. So for example, this book here, Color by Number for Kids. This is an activity book, medium content books. So this book is published on January 2022. So more than 1 year, probably 2 years. I don't know. Okay, 2 years. So 2 years of income from this book, the same book. And this one also September 2021. So it's also getting a very good ranking, 471. Okay. So they are generating a passive income. They have created all of these books only one time, and they are still getting views, getting sales, reviews every single day, and they are making tons of money from the same work. So one book, let's say, for example, let's choose any book. So for example, let's say this one, Dinosaur Coloring Book for Kids. So it's a coloring book, and here in the product detail you can see that it's independently published on March 2019. Okay, so 4 years ago almost this book was published, and until today this book is making sales. So this is amazing. And do you know what does this ranking means? 795. This 795 means that this book is generating 2,582 sales every month. And by the way, this calculator is underestimating normally. So probably 4,000 sales this book is making every single month. So 4,000 sales every single month, and let's say $1 profit with this price. So $4,000 every month from one book. So imagine if you have multiple books, and of course maybe you will spend some money on ads to increase and to have a stable ranking on Amazon, but still you will have a big margin of profits at the end of the day if you play it very well. So here on Amazon KDP, not like working on Fiverr, on Upwork, where you work for a service. Here you are not working for the money. Here you are building assets, as Robert Kiyosaki said. Here are assets that generate money, passive income for you. So you are not working for the money. Money is working for you. The third reason is that Amazon have already millions of customers every single day. So millions of purchases are done on Amazon every single day because Amazon already have audience, have its trust on the people. It's global every single day, thousand, hundreds of thousand, maybe millions. I don't know how much exactly, but what I know that it's generating billions of dollars every month. So why you don't contribute on that? Why you don't be creative? Spend some time to create projects, to create books, no low or even medium content books on Amazon to generate income, to boost your income and have passive income here with these millions of expected customers. So take the chance. It's already there. Amazon is already there, built its trust for audience. So instead of starting a website from scratch and building an audience, building the trust, here it's already on Amazon. You can get it. So nothing easier than that. And the fourth reason is you can expand. So after creating your paperback book, you can expand and create a hardcover. You can expand and create Kindle ebook, sorry, okay? And you can create a series of that book if it was successful, for example, okay? And you can even create audiobook if it's a high content book. So you can expand all of these from one book. So one book, one work as in one time, and it will generate passive income from 3 different streams of income. So here is a big opportunity.